everybody, and welcome to Musi Doctor Gaming. In this episode, I'm going to tell you how to fix the black screen for Shou. So most of you have been experiencing that when you go in a game like a Minecraft, it all goes black when you try and watch it. So I'll just show you. It's all black. So, and now I will go into settings. Then you go into general. Then you go into accessibility. Scroll down to the bottom, assistive touch. Now you will be able to go in all your games and everything. So yeah, it's basically how you fix the black screen. And as you can see, Minecraft is now working. So yay!